Hi class, are you ready to learn? Let's start! Hi class, so for this video, we are going to create your own jewelry using strips of paper, just like this bracelet. This art activity is called quilling. Quilling is an art form that involves strips of paper that are rolled, shaped, and glued together to create a decorative design. Just like this one. So class, are you ready? Let's start and learn how to do quilling. Materials that we need to use for this art activities are the following: ball pen, pencil for markings. At the same time, we will be using wire or any cord available. Another thing is pair of scissors for cutting of paper, toothpick for rolling of paper, and at the same time, glue. We will also be needing ruler in this art activity. And of course, please prepare colorful papers, but you may also use old newspapers or old magazine, whatever is available around you. So this is how we are going to start this art activity. So using your marker and your ruler, draw a line. This line will become your pattern to when cutting the paper. Okay, so the size of this part of the paper is 1 centimeter. So as what you have observed, the way we draw a line there is in a form of triangle, no? Hindi talaga siya rectangle, pero malapad sa dulo, papanipis. So you will know why we need to do this to form a paper jewelry. Ayan. So look at that. That will be the shape of your paper. So we're going to cut it now. Cut, cut, cut. Alright. Cut it out. So now, glue the paper together. And after that, roll the paper using toothpick. It is very important to use toothpick kasi yung hole na may iwan from that part sa middle, kung saan nilagay natin yung toothpick, will be used later para doon ipapasok yung cord or any type of wire around you that you can use for your paper jewelry. So, from this paper, makakabuo tayo ng isang klase ng beads. So, imagine that by just simply using papers for this art activity, nakagawa ka na ng very own mo na beads. Very affordable and at the same time, very creative din. Alright. So now, let's proceed to the part ng ipapasok na natin sa wire. So I already have here the prepared beads or quilling na ginawa ko ahead of time before filming this one. Ayan. So it's so colorful. I used old magazine, colored paper. So look at this. So now, this is the part wherein we are going to insert the beads inside the wire or inside the cord, whatever is available around you. So just insert it. So it's up to you whatever color of the beads or the quilling yung pagsusunod-sunodin ninyo. So this is where you can see your creativity in terms of color matching. So in my case, I chose yellow, red, and green. Yan, reggae na reggae. Alright, just insert it. So it's up to you. It depends on what jewelry are you going to create. So in my case, I have chosen to create a bracelet. Ayan. So there you have it. So if you learn something from this video, don't forget to click subscribe. Of course, like this video and share so others will also know how to create quilling. Once again, quilling is an art form using papers. So I hope that you have learned from this very simple tutorial on how to create paper jewelry. So thank you and bye. God bless everyone.